Goa. Its varied landscape ranging from the peaks of Western Ghats to the seashore, from the dense forests to open wetlands, from the mangroves to the pelagic regions, act as home to a huge variety of bird species. There are more than 500 species reported in this state. I happened to visit Goa once and I was able to cover some parts of the forests, wetlands, and shore area. In this series, I'll take you to the various parts of Goa and the species found in that vicinity, starting with the wetlands. While moving from one location to another, one might be able to see wide open paddy fields with storage tanks or water tanks besides them. This serves as a natural home to various wetland species. Some of the species which I was able to see in just one session includes common stonechat, also known as Siberian stonechat. It's a fairly common bird and a winter migrant in this part of the country. While males are pretty much shy, females are the ones which are bold and doesn't fly away immediately in the presence of humans. Another migrant which can be seen around such areas is blue-tailed bee-eater. This is a common red shank. Many of them can be seen in the mixed flocks of sandpipers, green shanks, and other waders. While moving ahead, please subscribe to my channel for regular updates on the upcoming videos. Pacific golden plover. We saw two individuals in the fields, easily identifiable due to their long legs, size, and yellowish buff. A bird which doesn't need an introduction. White-throated kingfisher, the most common bird to be seen in such areas. Psyche's short-toed lark, a small lark with conical bill. It is very similar to greater short-toed lark, but it is little larger than it. Large flocks of baya weavers can be seen throughout the wetlands, especially in the morning and the evening time. Western yellow wagtail, a widespread migrant often found in such regions. We saw huge flocks of northern pintails in the fields. Males are with chocolate brown head with white stripe down sides of the neck, while females are comparatively uniform buffish head. We saw a couple of northern shovelers too. They can be easily identified due to their long spatulate bill. We saw many individuals of pheasant-tailed jacana as well. Lesser whistling ducks. They are small and can be seen in big flocks. We saw some 200 individuals in one time. In the next part, we'll be covering the birds which we were able to see in the forest regions of this state. Till then, you can subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.